you a fan of captivating content that takes you on mesmerizing adventures right from the comfort of your screen? Look no further. Welcome to TRU Gong, your ultimate destination for immersive and exciting 4K walking tours, engaging spirituality and creativity videos, hilarious moments, and so much more. Explore the iconic streets of Brooklyn, New York in stunning 4K resolution. Our walking tour videos will take you through the heart of this vibrant borough, showcasing its unique culture and hidden gems. Step into the diverse neighborhoods of Queens, New York, with our breathtaking 4K walking tours. Uncover the rich tapestry of this borough as we guide you through its bustling streets and serene spots. The concrete jungle awaits you. Experience the magic of Manhattan, New York, with our high-definition 4K walking tour videos. We lead you through the iconic landmarks and bustling avenues of this world-famous borough. The Bronx, where culture and history intertwine. Join us on our 4K walking tours as we delve into the captivating stories and vibrant atmosphere of this dynamic borough. Discover the charm of Staten Island, New York in glorious 4K. Let us be your virtual guide as we showcase the hidden treasures and picturesque landscapes of this often overlooked gem. But wait, there's more. Our special walking tour videos will take you beyond the usual routes, exploring off-the-beaten-path locations that will leave you in awe. Feed your soul with our thought-provoking spirituality videos. Dive deep into meaningful discussions that will uplift and inspire you on your journey of self-discovery. Unleash your imagination with our creativity videos. From mesmerizing artistry to innovative DIY projects, there's something here to spark your creative fire. Need a good laugh or quick mood boost? Look no further. Our curated playlist of hilarious moments is guaranteed to brighten your day. Buckle up for exciting driving tour videos. Sit back, relax, and let us take you on a journey through scenic routes and breathtaking landscapes. Stay updated with our latest announcements, events, and exciting news through our promotional videos. Don't miss out on any of the TRU Gong updates. Satisfy your culinary cravings with our delicious cooking videos. Learn new recipes and techniques from talented chefs, all in bite-sized episodes. There you have it, a glimpse of the incredible content waiting for you on TRU Gong. With 2 to 3 videos released every 2 weeks, subscribing to our channel is the best way to stay in the loop. So what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and join us on these fantastic adventures. Manifest your destiny, move mountains. TRU Gong, your window to the world of captivating content.